Your FT2000 dish machine allows customization options for machine operation. To activate or change these features, enter the Manager menu by using the following procedure. To enter the Manager menu, press the three-line menu icon on the upper right corner on the control screen. Press the up and down arrow to change the digit on the security code to the appropriate value. Press the Enter key to move to the next digit to the right. Repeat the steps for each digit. After pressing Enter on the fourth digit, you will be in the Manager menu. Note, the default security code to enter Manager menu is 1001. This code can be changed by anyone with this knowledge and is recommended to change it from the default. If the code is ever lost for some reason, it can be reset by Hobart service. Resetting the code is not covered under warranty whether you are in the initial warranty period or in the extended warranty period. There are a number of functions you can customize under the Manager menu. Machine Settings sets the language, date, time, and temperature unit. The error alarm disables or enables an audible alarm when the machine has an error. The dirty water alert can be enabled to indicate that water may be dirty and may need to be changed. The message will not be disabled until a water change event occurs by draining the tanks in the machine. The default value is disabled. You can enable the alert for warning or a warning and lockout. Water hardness sets the incoming water hardness in grains per gallon. The default value is 3. Disable D-line button to lock the D-line button on the control screen. Disable speed change button to lock the speed change button on the control screen. Automatic start powers on and fills the machine at a specified day and time. Drain water tempering enables or disables the drain water tempering operation. This should only be enabled when an optional drain water tempering kit is installed. Energy Saver Timer sets the time in ready mode before the machine enters the Energy Saver mode. The default value is 30 minutes. Auto Timer Timeout stops the conveyor and pumps when no wear has been detected. The default value is 1 minute. External fan timeout sets the time after the wash pumps turn off before the external vent fan is turned off. The default value is 5 minutes. Reverse conveyor allows the conveyor to run in the reverse direction in case there is a conveyor jam. Be sure all personnel are clear of the conveyor. Press and hold the conveyor icon on the screen to reverse jog the conveyor.